Hey everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to fix Dead by Daylight crashing on your PC. First, let's start with the basics. Close the game completely, then open Steam. Right click on Dead by Daylight, go to Properties and click Installed Files. Then hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check and repair any missing or corrupted files causing the crash. Next, update your graphics drivers, whether you're using Nvidia, AMD or Intel. Go to their official website and install the latest version. Outdated drivers are one of the main reasons DBD crashes. If it still crashes, open your Windows settings, go to System, Display, and Graphics Settings, and make sure Dead by Daylight is set to High Performance Mode. Finally, disable any overlays like Discord or Steam overlay. This often causes random crashes. After doing all that, restart your PC and launch the game again. It should now run smoothly. If this helped, drop a like and comment below what worked for you.